Hi guys, today I have a question. Do you also overthink and get negative thoughts? Because I do. And I really don't want to continue with any kind of negativity this year. Have you thought about it? Have you ever thought about it? We all know that positive thinking and optimism can actually improve our health and well-being. But unwanted thoughts can fill us with negative emotions and make us feel defeated. Why do struggle with lot of negative thoughts? You know what? Negative thinking or like unwanted thoughts take us away from the present moment and make us feel anxious about the future. I think it is not good for our health and mind and body. Instead of thinking unwanted thoughts, we should actually replace this with some fruitful thoughts. And here I am again. Actually, I have listed down few ways to to replace those negative thoughts. So let me share with you one by one. It will not take much of your time. It is just 4 or 5. But I'm sure that it is gonna help you to stay away from the overthinking and to replace these negative thoughts or unwanted thoughts with positive ones. Alright? First one is, why didn't I start earlier? Instead of thinking this, you should think in a way, past can't be changed. There is no better time to start than now. Simple. Second one is, what is the point of making an effort? Such small steps won't make any difference. Instead, you can think, I am going to treat each day as the last day and going to make the most out of it. And don't forget that small step makes a huge difference in life. You just need to start from the moment you thought that I can't do it or it is not going to make any difference. Just start and you will see the clear results within few days. Just try it. Next one can be, this is too hard, I can't do it. Instead you can think, success comes with a lot of hardship. Otherwise everyone would have it, right? A lot of people are working out there. If you think that it's too hard, they just leave it there and then they don't get successful. However, people who are working very hard, eventually they will get success. So keep working. If it's too hard, which means that you're going to be too much successful. Okay? And last but not the least is, I have to start from the bottom while others were born into wealth. Yes, of course. Everyone has their different journeys and problems. So comparing is just a waste of time. You're comparing and you're feeling bad. What's the use of comparing? They were already born into wealth. And what you're doing right now, you're just comparing. Instead of comparing where they come from, you should compare what are they right now. And you should start working on your goals. That's it. It is very easy to replace your negative thoughts or unwanted thoughts with the positive ones, and life will change. Your overthinking will stop and you will start working on the things you really wanted to do. That's it. It's pretty simple, as I have said in my recent quotes, like life is as simple and as complicated as you make it. You just need to work on it and it is going to worth it. That's it guys, I don't want to stretch it. I just wanted to help you with your overthinking and your negative thoughts so that you can save your time and you can actually work on your goals. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy learning.